Unexpected bonus. I can't get the hens into the hen house. Come on! You jerks! Come on! Why? Why? The silkies get it. The silkies get it. Chucking some rugs on today for a client. But the most important thing I'm going to do before I do anything is do a huntsman spider check. Because I'm a little bitch. Girls ready for the incumbent rainstorm? Good boy. Good boy. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Too much? Oh, don't come out. There you go. All boys need a little help. Me? All boys need a little help. And your sloths, they're super cute. Good boy. Now this will be today's challenge because Ollie doesn't want to know anyone at the best of times. And he certainly doesn't know me very well. So, wish us luck. This is going about as I expected it to. How good looking are you? How good looking are you? Okay. Wet down to prevent choke. Off you go. Come on, Ryan, you too. Hi, Hal. Hi, Ellie. Last but certainly not least, hey Gus. Hi. Hi. Are you the queen, Quilly?